Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll focus on exposing 5 specific side hustles that a lot of gurus on the internet seem to promote, but are honestly not worth your time and are some are just straight up scams in my opinion. And 99% of people should stay away from them. And for each one of these that I mentioned, I'll give you 3 specific reasons as to why you should stay away from them. The first one on the list being crypto mining. Crypto was a hot topic for a while, but it still is a thriving community and a lot of people seem to recommend doing crypto mining. The first reason you shouldn't do it is because of the cost of investment that you have to make when you're setting up a crypto mining rig. If you want to make any substantial money from crypto mining, you have to invest a lot of money into a mining rig. A mining rig is a computer that you set up especially for mining cryptocurrency. You have to include a lot of GPUs in it and give it a lot of processing power. That costs a lot of money. That kind of investment is much rather spent on something else. The ROI is not worth it in my opinion. The second reason being, not only the cost of setup is a lot, the cost of maintenance is a lot. When you're setting up a practical supercomputer, you have to maintain it, you have to pay the electricity bill. Apart from that, the rig will generate a lot of heat, so to offset that you have to invest a lot in cooling. Apart from that, there is also the need for technical knowledge. You have to maintain the rig from the software aspect of it, which would take a lot of time. And even if you are willing to spend a lot of money to set up a rig and maintain a rig, in comes the third point, that is the market of cryptocurrency is very volatile. As you have seen in the past couple of years, it spikes randomly, it falls randomly. I don't think it's worth the risk when you're investing so much money into it. The second thing on the list is affiliate marketing with an asterisk. Unless you have an established audience, someone to cater those affiliate links to, don't do affiliate marketing. The first reason being, the conversion rate when it comes to affiliate marketing is very low. Not everyone who's going to see a link is going to click on it. And the second reason being, you become customer service. If you provide a link to someone and they buy something from it, and what they bought ends up being a bad service or a bad product, it is going to reflect on you because it is your affiliate link. And the third reason being, the competition in affiliate marketing space is very high because the barrier of entry into the affiliate marketing industry is very low. A lot of people tend to try it and the market is highly saturated. But I don't mean to bash affiliate marketing itself. What I mean to bash is the practice of doing affiliate marketing exclusively. You should focus on building an audience in the form of making content, write blogs, create content, become a YouTuber. Focus on building your audience, and once you have an audience, then think about affiliate marketing. And don't buy those affiliate marketing courses, because those people make money from selling these courses, not doing the affiliate marketing that they're teaching you. Third thing on the list being day trading, stocks or forex. I'm not saying don't invest in stocks and forex. Do long-term investment. Don't trade as a side hustle. There is a reason that day trading has been equated to gambling addiction. It is being studied as an actual addiction that people go through, because unless and until you're studying every stock that you're buying, you're practically gambling. And with that come the risks of gambling addiction. And apart from that, here are 3 key reasons you shouldn't be day trading. First reason, it is not a side hustle. Day trading is almost a full-time job. When you are not buying or selling stocks, you have to spend time analyzing those stocks, analyzing those companies, analyzing market trends, seeing how those stocks have performed, and try to guesstimate how those stocks will perform. You have to be on 24/7 if you're trying to day trade as a side hustle. Second reason you shouldn't be day trading, it is a high risk game. Unless and until you are investing a lot of money, you won't see substantial returns, which also means if you're investing a lot of money, you stand to lose a lot of money. And the third reason being emotional toll, the stress of day trading when you're 24/7 on about the stock prices, when you are investing so much money into it. With that emotional toll combined with the money you risk to lose, as well as the chances of you getting gambling addiction, make it not worth it to do day trading, in my opinion. The fourth one on the list is a quick one: paid surveys and captcha solving websites. Don't do them. First reason, they are mostly scams. 99.99% of them are scams. Second reason, it takes a lot of time for the money you make. Third reason, you make absolute peanuts in terms of money. You make nowhere enough to justify the amount of time you're putting in to do those surveys, to do those captchas. And the fifth one on the list, I think is the most controversial, is drop shipping. Don't do drop shipping. The first reason being initial investment. A lot of people say you don't have to invest any money, you have to take orders and play. No, there is a lot of initial investment required if you want to do drop shipping the right way. You have to maintain an inventory, you have to do marketing. A lot of money goes into marketing if you want to stand out in this saturated market. You have to pay for ads if you want to show up and people search for something, because chances are whatever you are importing and trying to flip is already on Amazon, because the drop shipping market is already so saturated. Second reason you shouldn't be doing drop shipping is logistics. Shipping products, handling refunds, handling returns takes a lot of effort to handle all these logistics and customer service problems. Unless you want to be one of the scam companies that just sell broken products and never bother the customer, you have to handle your own customer service. The third reason, even if you do all of that, the margins in dropshipping are very low. Inherently, the dropshipping industry is about undercutting your competition. If your competitor is selling something for 100 rupees, you want to sell for 90 rupees. If they're selling for 90 rupees, you want to sell for 80 rupees. If they're selling for 80 rupees, you want to sell for 70 rupees. And in that small margin, you have to recoup all the running costs of your business, all the marketing that you're putting, all the customer service that you're doing. All that money has to come in from that small margin. Like affiliate marketing, a lot of people who are teaching about dropshipping and selling courses make money from these courses and videos than they do actually dropshipping. You might say, I know someone who did dropshipping, I know someone who did trading, I know someone who did affiliate marketing, and they made money, they may become successful. I'm not trying to deny it. I'm saying 99% of people who have a 9 to 5 job or who go to college and want a side hustle, who want a part-time thing, shouldn't do these things. So what they can do is watch this video, find out about 5 realistic side hustles in 2024 and do one of those or something else. And please subscribe, because this is road to 1000 subscribers, so I can make this specific video that I already have a thumbnail for. And I'll see you guys in the next one.